What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a press-on nail set featuring Nail Reserve LA, which you guys know I love Nail Reserve LA. They do have vegan gel polish formula, which is environmental friendly, cruelty free, and free of at least 9 toxins typically found in gel polishes. And I will go ahead in my blog post for this video and include all of my previous Nail Reserve videos so you guys can see those if you have missed any of them. If not, though, you guys may have seen the last unboxing I did for them. They sent me over 8 new colors, and these are some of the colors. I've had the yellow for a while, the brown for a while, but all right, you guys, so whatever, who cares? No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, okay. So I know it's going so fast on the footage. I'm so sorry. I did do it that way so that I could fit all of the footage because it took me a while to do this. But this was my first time ever doing hand-drawn nail art, especially like to this extreme. Like, I literally drew Winnie the Pooh on a nail, and I'm so pumped up about it. So yeah, and you can see me over there watching videos too, you guys. I tried to crop it out because it was making the video look so crazy because it was going so fast. But anyways, so I really wanted to do an inspo set, and my dad, he loves music, and his birthday passed like all the way back in June, but ever since then I wanted to do like a music inspired Winnie the Pooh nail set. So I thought, well, I don't really know, like I've never drawn hand-drawn nail art before, so I don't want to commit to too much. So it's like I'll just draw Winnie the Pooh, his face on one nail, and then I'll draw like a honey pot on another nail, and I'll kind of make the honey like really extra so that like that's more focused on than the actual nail art. So that's what I did. For the honey jar, I think I made it too big. I would have made it a little smaller so I could see it better on the end result. And then for Winnie the Pooh, I was so proud with how he turned out. So I'm going to show you guys the end result and you'll see everything really closely. But yeah, you guys I'm going to give you guys some, like, I guess I kind of just sped through this video because I did not know how the nail set would turn out. And so I was like, if it turns out bad, like, I don't want to waste a lot of time with filming. So I just put it on time lapse and I just like went at it. But yeah, and then I didn't even record when I added all of the honey, which I'm not exactly sure why. I think I wasn't fully committed. It was one of those things where it's like, if this doesn't turn out, like, I'm just going to throw it away and act like this never happened. So I wasn't fully committed in the process. So that's why this video is kind of like all over the place. But anyways, yes. So I'm finally getting everything together and I'm like, okay, I have a musical note background. So I'm going to make some musical notes and I'm just going to use that background as like my example. So that's what I did. And I drew on some musical notes onto the nails. This green was really, well, I knew it was dark, honestly. I don't know why in my mind I imagined it would be a little lighter. So the black did kind of blend in a bit, and that's okay. And I actually went over, after I did this, I went over it with another color. Maybe this is the glittery color. I thought this was black though. But yeah, I went over it with a little bit of a glitter, but then I ended up matte top coating the music notes, so the glitter really didn't matter. But anyways, so I wanted to make a nail set that was revolving around music and Winnie the Pooh. And so this was like my first attempt. I wonder, like, well, what I would do is accentuate the musical notes more. Like, you guys will see on this nail, I did multiple musical notes, but on a couple of the nails, I did like more like a big musical note. And then I was able to make the honey, or like, it didn't end up being honey, but I made drips off of it too, and it looked really good. So to change this, like how I would have maybe perfected it more, I would have put music, like small musical notes on the Winnie the Pooh nail and on the honey nail. And so then I would have probably had to draw those smaller. And then I would have just used honey for the entire set instead of making pink drip and green drip. And I definitely would have used a different green because I wanted it to be more of like lime green and hot pink. But this is more of like a forest green, which ironically, I think my dad likes that color more than lime green, I'm sure. So yeah, but anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that you can save I believe 50% on Nail Reserve LA polishes if you use my discount code. I will go ahead and link all of the information down below in the description box. It will also be on my blog post, so you can see it there. And I just want to check in with you guys and see how you've been doing. I have really been adjusting to the new moon. I don't know if it's technically like a quote unquote new moon, but the last full moon was like very powerful. So, and me and so many people around me have been adjusting, and I know you guys must be adjusting too. So it's been insane. It's been pretty cool, but it's kind of like you just want to do so much and you have all this burst of energy, but then life is like, you just got to slow down for a minute. Just be patient. I think that's the main thing, is like, just be patient. Just be patient. It's all going to happen. Just be patient. And we're over here like, I don't have time to be patient. And we're like trying to go like Tasmanian devil. At least that's how I feel. And there's obviously a gift and a curse to both sides. There's a gift and a curse when it comes to patience, and there's a gift and a curse when it comes to Godspeed. So I'm just like balancing in between. But you guys, thank you so much again for being here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for all of your support, your comments, and your likes. Also, on Instagram, thank you so much for all of the support there. This morning I woke up to some comments on Instagram, and I thought that was so sweet. I will be doing my Spam for Spam giveaway 2.0 very soon, and I know tomorrow, I believe, is the 15th. So I don't know, like, I don't know how I feel, you guys. I almost want to, like, I don't know, I don't want to disappoint you guys, but I have projects on my radar right now that I kind of want to attend to before I commit to my giveaway, because this giveaway is not going to be just like a tiny little giveaway. It's not going to be extravagant, but it's going to be in between. And I have, like, my mom's birthday just passed, and you guys, I hope she doesn't see this video, but I won't tell too much. But there's a project that I want to do. I probably have to tell you guys once I do it, but it involves me having to cut like a lot of squares and rectangles and decorate them and glue them together or tape them together. Basically, I'll just give you guys a hint. Let's just imagine a box inside of a box inside of a box, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. And my mom's in her 40s, so I really came up with this idea of like going so overboard. Wouldn't you be so mad if you had to open over 40 boxes to get to the gift inside? And so even though it's like, I know she's gonna be mad, I think it's so extra and it's hilarious, and I'm all about impact. So I really want to do that project, and I just know that I can't commit to that project and release my giveaway at the same time. And also I have a project for my boyfriend that I have not done that I've been wanting to do, and I know I probably won't like be able to do that one in its entirety right away, but I would like to at least try to get some of it done and then, you know, start on everything. So I'm wondering what you guys would think about the giveaway actually starting on October 1st and having it be like revolving around either like fall nails or Halloween nails. Either one is totally fine, or both is totally fine. Yeah, like something like that. We can even do like anti-Halloween nails or something like that. But I would be interested in that. So I want you guys to let me know what you think. And definitely feel free, if you are watching this video and you plan to participate in the giveaway that I'm going to be holding very soon, please DM me. Let me know what you want. And I know sometimes I see that you guys tag me and stuff. And I try to keep up with it, but sometimes my notifications, one thing I have always hated about Instagram is the notification system that they have. But yeah, so I don't always see everything. I'd rather it be like direct message to me. And I know I probably need to check my message requests as well, just in case. But you guys should definitely DM me and let me know, what do you want? What prizes do you want to be in the giveaway? Because I really want you guys to get what you want, and I want the giveaway to revolve around all of you guys. This is it's like a subscribers appreciation giveaway, so, or supporters appreciation giveaway. So that's what I want it to be revolved around. But anyways, you guys, so you can see that I added honey all over the Winnie the Pooh nail and at the top. And then on these nails, all the rest of them, I'm going to be adding drips, but I'm going to add them in green for the pink nails. And then on the green nails, I'm going to add them in pink. I really liked how all the pink drips came out. But I was thinking, like, I want to make this nail pop, you know, because it's just not popping. And so that's how I came up with the idea to just do pink drip. And I am such a sucker for drip nails in general. So you guys, I'm literally looking at my requests, and there's so many of them. Oh wow, that's sweet. Yeah. But anyways, so what's on your guys' mind? How has the new moon been treating you, or the full moon, the new moon? I don't really know that much about the moon, so don't judge me. I know a little, not a lot, but it's been treating me really well, and I have been able to feel the shift of life changing, and I think it's just very notable. So I did promise you guys while we were on this video that I was going to talk to you guys about like some stuff, and I think it's perfect because, you know, the atmosphere, the vibes. I will not use any medical terms per se, because I don't want any of my content to become political. And I know, like, I probably don't have that many supporters now, but like as far as people who watch my videos, but I know like at any given moment people can bring up stuff from the past and make it a whole big deal. So I just want to say that I had noticed that I was having like a lot of shifts in my moods all the time, but it was not actually like there wasn't any specific pattern to my moods. And this is ultimately, if you guys haven't seen my previous videos and you're new to my channel, definitely go ahead and hit that like button if you're appreciating this video, and go ahead and subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can receive notifications every single time I upload. But my nail journey essentially started from me just needing an outlet. There was this void, and it was like to the point of insanity, because I felt like I had tried everything to like free myself, and I still wasn't there yet. And I guess the thing about nails is that it allows you to have a creative outlet, but it also it allows you to have a boost in confidence, because you have nails on and you get like this alter ego about yourself. And so I really enjoyed that. Well, yeah, so I had got my nails done, and then I realized like I should just do my own nails, because I always wanted to do that. And so then I started to do my own nails, and I really like committed to the idea when I realized that if I didn't find some way to balance myself, then this problem that I had with like being like unstable emotionally or mentally, that would end up like really coming back to bite me in the ass in the long run, for lack of better words, you guys. So I started to study myself, because I had been in enough relationships, either with friends, family, or like, you know, significant others, to kind of, and even with my children and my pets and everything like that, to kind of understand like, I don't want to say I'm the problem, but I can say that I do have a problem. And that's the first thing, is like, can you identify a problem? Does the problem identify with you? And then if it does, how does it identify with you? You know, what are the patterns revolving around it and things like that? And so then after that, I began to basically assess myself, and I didn't feel like I had like bipolar disorder, which you guys, process of elimination, okay? But I didn't feel like I had that, and I didn't feel like I had like multiple personality disorder, even though a lot of people tell me like, oh, you have so many personalities and stuff like that. I didn't feel that I was like going out of one personality and identifying with a totally different personality. Like, that wasn't where I was. By the way, you guys, here is the final product, and I definitely need you guys to let me know how you think I did. I honestly am so effing proud of myself. But anyways, you guys, so listen, I started to identify that I had something mentally that was going on with me, which I've also always known all my life, because when I was younger, I was like, I need to figure out like what's going on in my family and what's going on in my life, and what's like, I know that these are problems that are going to hinder me when I become an adult, like mentally and emotionally, socially, and all of that. So I was obsessed with mental health from a very young age. I always knew that I wanted to be a psychiatrist. Well, first a psychologist, then I learned psychiatrist, and I was like, okay, psychiatrist. And then I wanted to be a lawyer too, but that's a whole nother side of me that we'll talk about another time. But yeah, so, and then even in college, you guys, I ended up leaving school because of this problem that I have, where there's a trigger and it just sets me off, and I go into a whole nother zone, mentally and emotionally, physically, verbally, everything. And it's just, I don't really know how to describe it, and I know this video is going to end soon, but I definitely wanted to kind of like harness my weaknesses and my downfalls and pour it into something positive and good. And that's why this set is literally so inspiring, and like really it's just so significant to me, because this is like, these are my feelings, you guys. These are the triggers, the all of the stuff that you guys probably know. If you really know, you know. If you know, you know. This is it right here. This what you're looking at, and that feels good, because we can have like uplifting thing. Like we can build. We can choose to build, or we can be torn down by our emotions sometimes. And I will continue to elaborate in another video, you guys, I promise. It's a journey, so we're gonna get there, trust me. But that's mostly what this set was inspired by, and what it was, what I wanted it to symbolize is like, all of your feelings are here. And I think it's really significant, because that's kind of how I feel that my dad is with his music. And so it was just like, I don't know, you guys, I'm so proud of myself. But drop a comment down below too, and let me know if you maybe can put a pinpoint on what you think I'm referring to as far as mental health struggles and things like that. I will also open up more on my blog in regards to things like that, because it's more of like a private platform where you guys can come and we can be closer off of YouTube, which is like, we want to respect YouTube, right? So I don't want to just like be too expressive on here. But tell me what you guys think, and here are all of the colors that I used for this set. Thank you so much, No Reserve LA. We love you on this channel, and we are so thankful for this collaboration. I will talk to you guys in another video soon, and I'll hello you guys. There's gonna be another upload today too, by the way, so you better stay tuned. Bye, y'all.